Hi kids, welcome to the English class. Today we will complete the exercise D and E of your English grammar book. Children, now look at the exercise D on page number 8 of your English grammar book. Exercise D. Read the following sentences and put the correct punctuation marks at their ends. Also mention their kinds in the boxes. You can see first sentence is do not pluck the flowers. It's an order. It should be ending with the full stop, question mark or the exclamatory mark. Order. Order is ended with the full stop. Its kind is imperative because it's an order. Instruction. Where is squirrel? Sentences beginning with question word. So the punctuation mark, which punctuation mark will be used? Question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence. Next, how dirty your room is. Students, here should be your, not you. First you correct this word. The word your should be there at the place of you. So correct it. How dirty your room is. It's ending with the helping verb. So it's a exclamatory. Children, this is a strong feeling. So the punctuation mark will be used. Which will be used? Exclamatory mark. In the sentences where we use the exclamatory mark, these sentences are called exclamatory sentences. So its kind is exclamatory. I do my homework after school. It's a statement. So we will put full stop at the end. If it is a statement, so its kind is assertive. Next, which is your book? This is question because beginning with the question word. So we will put question mark at the end. If it's a question, so its kind is interrogative. Next, how did he come here? Again, the sentence is beginning with a question word. So, we will put question mark at the end. So, once again, it's an interrogative sentence. Students, so you also complete your exercise D in your English grammar book. What nonsense! It's a strong feeling. So the sign of exclamatory will be marked at the end. Children, if a sentence expresses a strong feeling, then we put the sign of exclamation at the end. So the kind is exclamatory. This is the exercise D. You put the correct punctuation marks at the end. Then you write down the kind of these sentences. Dear students, now it's the time for the activity. Joy drill. Yes, it's an activity for you, children. In many of the videos, kinds of the sentences have been explained. Now you try to do this activity. Joy drill. Exercise E. Choose a word from the box, fill in the blanks and number the pictures. What you have to do? First of all, you read the sentence, don't dash in the corridor. Which correct word will be written in the blank? So, you fill in the blank with the word don't run. Fill in the blank with the word run. So, your sentence is don't run in the corridor. Which picture is related with this sentence? So, this picture will be marked as number 1. Understand? Now, raise your hand. Raise your dash. Door, walk, hands. Raise your hands. Which picture relates with this sentence? You can see this picture. Hands are raised in this picture. So, this picture will be marked as number 2. Now number 3, don't dash in the exam. Which word is related with this sentence? Don't door, don't walk, don't hands, don't teacher, notebook, bookcase, name, run, cheat. Yes, the word cheat will be written in the sentence number 3 to complete it. Don't cheat in the exam. Exams में cheating नहीं करनी चाहिए. Which picture relates with it? This one? No. This one? Here the teacher is there with the board where the children are cheating in the exam in this picture. So this picture relates with the sentence number 3. So we will mark number 3 with in this picture. So we will mark number 3 for this picture. Next, number 4. Write your dash on the board. What you write? Your, आपका क्या लिख दो बोर्ड पे? Your name. Write your name on the board. So, which picture is relating with the sentence number 4? This one? No. This one. Because the name, somebody's name is written on the board. So, this picture relates with the sentence number 4. So, this picture will be marked as number 4. Sentence number 5. Open the dash. किसको खोल दो? क्या खुला इसमें? Which picture you can see something is opened? Window. This window is opened. So, the word window will be used to complete the sentence number 5. And find the picture. Which picture relates with it? This one. So, this picture will be marked as number 5. Now, look at this sentence number 6. Write them on your... कहाँ पर लिख दो? इनको किस पे लिख दो? Notebook. Write them on your notebook. Which picture relates with it? This one. So, the number 6 will be written in the circle of this picture. Answer the dash. Answer the question. Here we will write the word question to complete the sentence number 7. Answer the question. Here the question mark is there. So this picture relates with the question sentence number 7. So mark this picture as number 7. Sentence number 8. Close the door. And find out the picture related with it. This one. So this picture will be marked as number 8. Sentence number 9. Don't dash on the grass. Don't walk on the grass. This picture relates with the sentence number 9. So mark 9 over here. Number 10. Keep the dash tidy. Keep the bookcase tidy. Which picture relates with this sentence? This one. So mark this picture as number 10. Number 11. Listen to your dash carefully. Children, to whom you have to listen carefully? To your parents and your teacher. Here the word teacher is there, so you fill in the blank with the word teacher. Listen to your teacher carefully. And this picture relates to the sentence number 11. So mark this picture as number 11. Now the exercise E joy drill has been completed. So children, you complete the chapter number 1 in your English grammar book, The Grammarian. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice time.